Several months ago, the custom rack we built for our M1101 military Humvee trailer collapsed. Several welds broke in multiple places, turning it into a catastrophic failure for this custom rack. Since then, we've been getting multiple input for a new and improved rack. Today, we're going to show you the culmination of those designs along with some non-negotiables specific to our needs. We completely scrapped the old rack and started from scratch. We used 1.5" DOM tubes, 2 extra side legs, and multiple angle brackets on every corner. We added these custom awning brackets, striking a good balance between having a comfortable awning height and keeping a relatively low profile trailer. This time around, we decided paint over powder coat. We learned that although powder coat is much more durable, it can still get scratched up. Using paint makes it much easier to touch up using spray paint cans. The previous rack only had 4 legs on each corner. Now, there are 14 points of contact holding it up, distributing the weight down to 6 base plates. On the back, there are vertical plates on each side that may be used for mounting accessories. For now, we decided to mount a quick release fire extinguisher for easy access on the left side. We reinstalled the awning, the water tank, the tent, and took it for a test camp. So far, so good. Next, we will rebuild a custom power bank and add a few more features. When we're done, we will do a detailed walk around of the whole trailer. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.